66 million years ago, a single day changed the history of our planet forever. In less than 24 hours, the age of dinosaurs ended, and the rise of mammals began. But how exactly did it happen? Today, we'll relive the impact minute by minute to experience the most catastrophic day in Earth's history. High above the Earth, a mountain-sized asteroid, nearly 10 kilometers wide, races through space at over 70,000 kilometers per hour. From the ground, it looks like a bright star slowly growing bigger in the night sky. Dinosaurs grazing in what is now North America have no idea that death is already on its way. At 0 minutes, the asteroid slams into shallow waters near the Yucatan Peninsula, releasing the energy of more than 1 billion nuclear bombs. Because of the powerful impact and explosion, it shook the entire Earth. If a fireball hotter than the surface of the sun erupts, it vaporizing everything for hundreds of kilometers. And the impact of its explosion destroyed everything. The Earth itself ripples like water. And a crater more than 150 kilometers wide is instantly carved into the ground. Within the first 10 minutes, giant plumes of rock and vaporized ocean are launched into space. Much of it rains back down as fiery debris called tektites. As these glassy fragments fall, they heat the atmosphere to thousands of degrees. Forests ignite. Dinosaurs, even thousands of kilometers away, are roasted alive by a global firestorm. By the first hour, colossal tsunamis ripple across the Gulf of Mexico. Walls of water over 500 feet high smash into coastlines, flooding everything for hundreds of miles inland. In less than a day, waves race across the Atlantic and Pacific, striking Africa, Europe, and Asia with skyscraper-high walls of water. As the Earth absorbs the blow, massive shockwaves travel through the crust, triggering earthquakes across the planet. Volcanoes erupt. The ground shakes even on the other side of the world. The Earth is ringing like a bell struck by a hammer. Half a day after the impact, millions of tons of molten rock re-enter the atmosphere. They fall as a lethal rain of glass-like marbles, striking the ground at hundreds of kilometers per hour. Even animals that escaped the fires and floods are pelted by this fiery storm. Smoke and dust rise into the stratosphere, blocking out the sun. By the end of the first day, Earth is unrecognizable. Fires rage across continents. The skies are filled with ash and smoke. Sunlight can barely penetrate the thick black clouds. Temperatures begin to plunge. The world is entering what scientists call an impact winter, a freezing darkness that will last for years. In the weeks to come, acid rain pours from the sky, oceans acidify, and nearly all plants die. Without sunlight, the food chain collapses. 3/4 of all life on Earth vanishes. Almost every dinosaur larger than a dog is wiped out. But some survivors remain: crocodiles, turtles, small mammals, and birds that can adapt to the new frozen wasteland. The asteroid's impact was both an ending and a beginning. The dinosaurs' reign was over, but in the shadows, tiny mammals survived. From them, millions of years later, humans would evolve. The day the dinosaurs died was the day the story of us began.